Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a bright, fun, green makeup look. This is a monochromatic green look, so it's using only green eyeshadows. And it is time to dig back into the ColourPop Fade into Hue eyeshadow palette, which I love so very much. It's such a fun, beautiful rainbow palette with lots of different finishes within it. And I've done a purple look, a blue look, and today we're doing the greens. I'm using the Aoi Studio Shadow Stay Eye Primer, and then this Be Pure Infused Pressed Powder to catch fallout under the eye. And of course I'm taking the ColourPop Fade into Hue eyeshadow palette. And the first shade I'm going to be picking up is Bold Type. And I'm going to pick this up on a fluffy crease brush. At first I am always tapping my brush off as well to reduce fallout because these shadows can get powdery, especially the matte ones. I'm going to press this shade in my outer corner and then moving into the crease against the orbital bone. Because I'm using a fluffier brush, this isn't as building up as much as I would like, so I'm going to take a little of that matte eyeshadow on my finger and press that on top of the shadow that's already down, except for the spots that are already kind of blended in the crease. Now here I am showing that fallout that I am talking about. They can be a little bit powdery. So next up, on a smaller crease brush, I'm taking Dyed Up, and it's a light green shade, and I'm applying that in the inner portion of the crease against the orbital bone. And you will see me also taking it around the edges of the darker green that I placed in the crease and just pressing that. And it doesn't take much to blend these eyeshadows out. They blend really easily. They're in the same color family. They are both mattes, and sometimes they can be kind of hard to blend out, but certain formulas work really well, and ColourPop is definitely one of those brands that have that formula that they blend out really easily. So next up I'm going to be taking this shade Hot, and I'm taking that on a flat shader brush, and I'm also going to be using the L'Oreal Lumi Dew Mist Spray to wet my brush and apply this shadow. First I'm kind of going to like press and do sweeping motions with this on the lid and really build that shimmery shade up. And I just love the cohesion of this palette and all the different finishes. You can create many rainbowy looks using this, or monochromatic looks, which is what we're doing today. And soon I will be diving into some of the other colors in this palette as well. And I'm going to be taking the LaColors in Vogue eyeshadow palette. This nude shade here, it's like a brow bone, or I'm going to use it for a brow bone, but it's like a vanilla shade. And I'm going to take this on a small shader brush, and I'm going to press that under the brow, and then I'm going to slowly start blending it down. So you'll see, and so that way I can have a really nice fade from these bright colors into the brow bone. So it's a really smooth, nice transition. I love how these colorful shades perform. Highly recommend this Fade into Hue eyeshadow palette. It's so beautiful. I'm wiping away my fallout, and I'm going to take the dark green along my lower lash line and the light green towards the inner corner. And I'm just kind of blend those together really quickly. And then I'm going to be taking this shade here in Pose, and it's the lightest shimmery shade in the green family in this palette, and I'm applying that in the inner corner and just kind of pressing it and blending it with the other shades and the look that it touches. Now once I have that, I'm using the Aoi Studio Lash Adhesive and the Ioni Carmen lashes. I love these lashes. They have them beautiful rhinestones. Well, they have these AB crystal rhinestones on them, and they flash different colors. They are beautiful, and I love them for fun looks like this. The Aoi Studio Duoflex Mascara to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes, and the LaColors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline with, and then I'm using this Santee Gel Eyeliner in green for my waterline, and just keeping it bright. And for lips, I use the Maybelline Superstay Ink lipstick in 255, Chai Genius, or Chi Genius, yeah. And WetnWild Photofocus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Spray. This stuff is amazing, smells amazing, and here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial, found it helpful, and will maybe try the look out for yourselves. I think this look is perfect for summer. It's bright, it's fun, and I hope that you love green looks, because this is definitely a fun one. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Stay tuned for more videos using the ColourPop Fade into Hue palette. Thank you so much for watching.